Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Welcome to the new video. So today, my dear friends, I am going to share my personal experience that I applied for a US visa and it got approved. So I will share you some important things, some how to submit application step by step. So the first step is we need to submit DS160 form, which is the most important part while we are applying for the United States of America visa. So as you can see on my screen, there is my visa with multiple entries. The type of visa is C1D, it's a crew member visa, and it's valid for 5 years. So guys, today I will show you how to submit DS160 form. Before starting the submission, I will show you the confirmation letter. So guys, it looks like this: DS160 confirmation letter. And the next is, this is the appointment confirmation. Once you submit DS160 and once you submit your visa fees, then you need to take an appointment in your in US embassy in your country or in your region. So let's have a quick start. I will show you how to submit DS160 form. So here in Google, US visa application, click on apply for US visa DS160 form information. So here you can see that non-immigrant visa information. Here you have all the information, but we are submitting DS160. So guys, this is the first and the most important part if you are applying for US visa. So here we have new page. First of all, select your language, in which language you want to submit the form. So I will select the English. So here select your country, from the country where you are applying for the visa. I will select Qatar because I applied from Qatar. So here the next is you need to write down the code. Make sure to write down this code correctly. And one important thing that is you must have one photograph that is required while you are applying, while you are submitting the DS160 form. You can get this picture if you go to any photo studio. The photographers, most of the photographers, they know which size of photo is required for US visa. So let's start. So guys, here you also need to select the language. So here are some terms and conditions we need to agree. So guys, this is your application information. So this is your ID, application ID. And here is a security question. You can select any question from here. For example, what is the name of your favorite childhood friend? You need to write any answer here. For example, I will write ASDF. This is just for an example. You need to write a name which any your favorite name, so you will remind this answer. It's gonna require for you in when you open your application again. So guys, here we go. So the language is selected already, English. As you can see, there are the first step is your personal information 1, personal information 2. So guys, make sure to keep your passport when you are filling this form, your passport, and you will be required your travel details in your travel history. You need to mention all the details here. So after submitting your personal information, your name and all, make sure to write your name, correct spelling, given name, full name, surname should be matched to your passport. If you make any mistake in the spelling, it will not gonna be work. So make sure double check and fill this your information correctly according to your travel documents or your passport. So after personal information, there is your travel history, and then your travel companions. If you visited US or if you have been in United States in past, you need to write down, you need to mention all the US travel details. After that, you need to write down address and phone number, and then after that, passport details. And then here in this after passport, you will write down the US contact. If someone is inviting you to the United States, if someone is sponsoring you, you need to write down there his information, his details and all things. And then after, you need to write down about your family. And the second last is about your work, your qualification, education. If you have any trainings and all, you need to mention in this. And the last and the most important thing is security background. In the security background, there will be some questions. They will ask you about your career, about your history. So make sure to fill correct all the questions. There will be options like have you ever been arrested, or have you been involved in any criminal activity or something. That there will be the questions like this, and there will be options yes or no. You need to click yes or no. So make sure to there will be like 15 to 16 questions. You need to check them all, read them properly, and then click on yes or no. So guys, after submitting DS160 form, you will receive the confirmation letter, which I show already in the starting of the video. And then there is the next step. After submitting this form, you need to take a visa appointment in the US Embassy for your visa interview. There will be they will take your biometrics and all of that is the final step, your personal interview with the visa officer. So guys, in next video I will make about what kind of questions they ask when you're going for the visa interview. The visa officer he asks some questions, So that is the final step. So I will make one more video about that, so stay connected. If you like the video, subscribe the channel so you will get the new videos notification, and don't forget to press the bell icon if you subscribe, so you will get the notifications of my videos. So thank you guys, bye bye, and good luck for your visa.